Looking for a reliable way to stay warm during those cold winter months? Diesel air heaters offer powerful heating solutions for vehicles and spaces. Let's explore the top 3 best diesel air heater options that combine efficiency with practical features. Before we dive into these excellent heating solutions, make sure to click the link in the description for current prices and detailed specifications. Starting with number 3, the VEVOR 5 kW diesel air heater. This 12-volt system delivers impressive performance in temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Celsius to +20 degrees Celsius. It features a straightforward mechanical knob control system that puts simplicity first. What makes this heater particularly practical is its fuel efficiency. Consuming just 0.11 to 0.51 liters per hour, a full 10-liter tank provides up to 100 hours of continuous operation. The aluminum construction ensures optimal heat distribution while minimizing energy loss. Users particularly appreciate the easy installation process, as it comes with a complete set of accessories, including dual silencers, air outlet pipes, and all necessary mounting hardware. Let's look at the key features you should know about. Dual silencer system, comprehensive installation kit included. Precise mechanical temperature control, aluminum construction, extended engine life protection. Moving on to our second place contender, the ROOMARK 5/8 kW diesel heater. This versatile unit covers an impressive area of 215 to 269 square feet, making it perfect for larger spaces. What sets this model apart is its triple control system, offering Bluetooth connectivity, remote control, and an LCD display for maximum convenience. The temperature range of 46 degrees Fahrenheit to 96.8 degrees Fahrenheit provides precise comfort control, while the 5-liter tank delivers nearly 10 hours of continuous warmth. The Bluetooth functionality extends control range up to 98 feet, allowing you to adjust settings from outside your vehicle. This feature proves invaluable during cold mornings when you want to preheat your space before entering. The LCD display provides clear readings of current temperature, settings, and system status, while the remote control offers a reliable backup when Bluetooth isn't preferred. Here are the standout features that caught our attention. Advanced Bluetooth control, self-diagnostic safety system, high-altitude operation capability, voice prompt system, automated overheat protection. Now for our top pick, the BEJIXIONG all-in-one 5/8 kW diesel air heater. This remarkable unit offers adjustable power from 1 kW to 8 kW, providing unmatched versatility for different heating needs. Its exceptional performance at high altitudes, functioning effectively up to 4,500 meters above sea level, makes it the perfect choice for various applications. The all-in-one design combines powerful heating with space-saving efficiency while maintaining surprisingly quiet operation. The versatility of power adjustment sets this unit apart from competitors. Starting at 1 kilowatts for mild heating needs and scaling up to 8 kilowatts for intense heating requirements, it adapts to varying conditions and space sizes. Let's examine the features that earned it our top spot. Variable power output, integrated diagnostic monitoring system, compact, space-efficient design, advanced temperature control system, optimized fuel consumption management. Conclusion: each of these diesel air heaters offers unique advantages, but the BEJIXIONG model's combination of power adjustability, high-altitude performance, and intelligent monitoring system makes it our top recommendation. Consider your specific needs and space requirements when making your choice. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this review helpful, show some love by hitting that like button, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell.